guys, it's Neelam and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna see how I converted this saree into a draped saree. It is a modern design and very comfortable to wear, easy to make as well. Also, if you're not certain that the design that you are gonna convert your saree into will not ruin your actual saree, so this is the go-to pattern because it will use your whole saree and you will not left with any fabric. I have left with some fabric because I didn't need a blouse, but if you want, you can make a blouse out of it. So without much blabbering, let's see the tutorials.
This is the saree I used, which is 9 years old, in short, from my marriage. It has fully embroidered palla and has embroidery on half of the rest of the saree. I am separating these two sections as I will be using palla section as it is and will make garara of other part. I have made pleats of the palla section to see if it will be enough to drape the way I want it, as it is of only 2 meters and generally a dupatta is of 2.5 meters. I am wearing a garara I made last year. So if I attach it to the front and wrap it around my body, it will not look nice. Had it been longer, it would have looked beautiful. If I attach it to the side, it will still look better. Got lot of fabric to drape on the shoulders. But some people aren't comfortable of their butts visible like this. So I'm trying the other drape which is covering my back, giving nice cowl, and also the draped fabric is enough to look graceful. I will upload the pant pattern I'm using in next video, but if you know already, you can make it directly or just trace your pants like I have done in garara video. See the link above or in the description box. I have used lycra fusing in the lining. As all my patterns are without margin, I make them and cut the patterns of front and the back. To cut the main fabric, I am using the plain section of the saree, the innermost part of it, which usually doesn't have any work on it. I will use this part of the saree to make the ghera of the garara, which is approximately of 3 meters for both the legs. Check the length till thigh and then the remaining length of the ghera. In my case, it is 17.22 inches, which I later shortened it by 2 inches from the thighs. This is the remaining fabric which you can use it to make a blouse. I have stitched the main fabric and the lining from the edges before stitching all the parts together. First, I stitch both front and the back patterns from the crotch area. Then both the front and the back patterns from sides, leaving 5-6 inches from the waist to attach zipper on one side and a pocket on the other. To make a pocket, prepare a rectangular piece using main fabric and the lining fabric together and then stitch it with the side seam of the pant. Also join it with the front waist to secure it. And on another side, attach the concealed zipper. Once done, join front and the back borders from the crotch area. Close all the darts at the waist and attach a belt. For belt, make a straight strip of 3 inches broad and 3 inches plus waist size using the main and the lining fabric, and stitch it. On the sides, use hooks and eyes for closure. For ghera, take 2 rectangular pieces of 1.5 meter long and whatever is your length, and attach it to the thigh. Same goes with the main fabric. Your garara is ready. Now is the time to attach the drape. To attach the palla drape at the back, make pleats of the palla first. Then open half back seam of the belt and insert the palla in the belt and top stitch it. Your outfit is ready to wear.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope it was easy to understand, and if you happen to make it, do tag me on Instagram post. I will love it. And if you have any queries, comment down below. I will definitely reply you guys. See you guys next time.